Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's a super exciting day because we are going to be showing you guys all the stuff that we got from Kwikset. We are so excited. Kwikset was generous enough to go ahead and sponsor all of our locks, our knobs, our latches, everything throughout our home here at Nordic Dwell. And there's a few reasons why we are so lucky to have them on board with us. For one, Blake and I were, constantly reaching out to companies, trying to get someone on board who, for one, believed in us, but for two, we believed in their brand and their products. We didn't want a company that, for lack of better words, we'd be sacrificing quality over quantity. Another thing too was that Blake and I had been really searching around for matte black knobs and handles and everything throughout the entire home. And believe it or not, that's actually a really tough thing to find. For one, either there are lines out there, but they're extremely expensive, or two, they may have the interior knobs are all matte black, but then the outdoor latches aren't. And I'm just the type of person that I love to keep things consistent. And that also leads into another reason why we loved Kwikset so much, that I love keeping things brand consistent throughout my home. I know some people would probably have differing opinions on that, but I just love to keep things very simple and to the point and keep everything pretty much the same. I'm a very organized person in that way. So, and once I love a brand, I really don't go back. So I'm excited to see how we love these products. We have read all the reviews, and I mean, really, I have not read anything that defers me from wanting Kwikset's items in my home. And Kwikset, we can't thank you guys enough. I mean, really, you guys are going to be helping our home be secure for years to come, for however long we're here, and then also for hopefully future owners who will be here in the future. It's an important thing to keep your home secure. And then for me, it's very important to have something that's fashionable, trendy, and really cute. So these matte black products that you guys sent us are amazing. So today, the plan for all of us is that we're gonna go through and unbox all of these. You get to follow along with me as I unbox them literally for the first time. We have opened the interior doorknobs, but the rest of it is brand new to me. I do know what's in the items, but I haven't seen them in person or held them in my hand yet, so I'm really excited. But yeah, so that's our plan for today. Kwikset, thank you again so much for believing in our story here, and we cannot wait to showcase your products throughout our home for years to come and just do you guys proud. So thank you again, and let's get started. All right, y'all, let's see what this stuff is. So, I believe these are deadbolts in here. Let's take a look. See if I'm right. Ooh. It's a Halifax lever. So these are used for exterior doors, and we're gonna put it on our back garage service door that goes from the outside of the house into the garage. It can be used for either left or right swinging doors, which is really, really nice because you never know with that. Comes with 2 keys, which is great. So Blake and I can each have one. And then it talks about that you can easily reset your lock cylinder to work with any keyway key. So that's super nice, because if you ever need to reset your keys or do another key for any reason, it's a great option. So pretty. So yep, this is gonna go on the outside of the house. And I loved the levers. I think it just adds a little bit of a modern touch to the home. So we have 2 of those, and that's the other ones in this box here. And that's that. So let's move on to the next one, guys. All right, our next box is our interior knobs, and these are the Hancock knobs. That's what they're called, Hancock. And they are in the color iron black. So it's not matte black, it's called iron black, but it looks like matte black. Look how pretty these are. I love how it looks like it's easy to clean, and it's still that matte looking finish, but it is gorgeous. It's gonna look so nice. And I think This still keeps like a farmhousey vibe, but you can dress it up to be modern too, which is what we're trying to do here, is be a little more modern with our styles. So I just love them, and I think they're gonna look so crisp on our white doors. What's nice about these as well is that they are also going to fit whether it's a left or right swinging door. It also has this safety feature, so if you have kids and they lock themselves in the room, or someone else locks themselves in the room and you need to get in, there is a way to open it, which is great. So that is the rest of this box. It is all Hancock knobs for our bathrooms and bedrooms, and then I think we're gonna put one on our laundry room door as well. So that's that. Let's move on to the next one. You guys, I'm so excited about this one. This is going to go on our garage door that leads from our garage to our house directly. This is amazing, and one second I'll tell you all about it. Okay guys, so this next one. It is the Halo Wi-Fi touchscreen smart lock. So this is Wi-Fi enabled, which is amazing because you can have an app on your phone where if you have friends or family coming over, or maybe checking on your pets, or just need to get into your house for some reason, you can enable them, or you can unlock the door, I believe, from your app, which I will check into that and let you guys know, but I'm pretty sure that's what you can do. And also you can give them a code where they can just type it in to all these numbers and just go ahead and open the door. The Kwikset app obviously works with any cellular data, but it works anytime you have Wi-Fi. So let's just say you're on a cruise, or you're on vacation where maybe you don't have cellular data out of the country, but you have Wi-Fi. It works with that, which is great because Blake and I are constantly on the go. We have a lot of family that doesn't live in Minnesota, so it's very important for us to have something that's secure but able to be unlocked if needed in the case of an emergency. So this is great. So there's remote locking, unlocking, and monitoring. You can assign customizable user codes so you know who accessed your home. So you can, that's super cool. I didn't know that. It sounds like you can give different codes. So I can give one code to my friend Megan, or I could give one code to my mom, or I could give one code to Blake's brother, or whatever it might be. So that's just super cool. And then schedule when user codes work for controlled access to your home. Oh, that's cool too, because then I can be like, sorry, I don't like you anymore. You don't get my code, bye. And then...
Are you gonna do that to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that to you. Blake was asking if I'm gonna do that to him. You can view event logs so you can see who's coming and going, and you can manage locks in different homes with the same app. So like if you, that's actually really awesome, because if you had like a rental home, or if you did like an Airbnb business, like if you had like a cabin up north or something and you wanted to give codes to certain people, like certain users to get in, but then change, wow, that is, okay, sorry, I'm just mind blown, because that's honestly exactly what we're looking for. Eventually I would love to own an Airbnb or do something like that, so that's incredible that you can not only one, have it be time controlled of how long that person with that code can access the house, but then also see who's coming and going. And then you can manage locks in different homes. That's incredible. That is so cool. Okay, so this is the other specs on it. It has a 20-minute fire rating. It has an alarm sounds after 3 consecutive incorrect codes are entered. So if you enter it 3 times wrong, an alarm's going off. And then tamper-resistant interior cover. There's 250 customizable user codes. That's incredible. That's amazing. One-touch locking button. And that was a big thing for me for our home, just like as a personal user, is that I wanted to be able to get into our house. Like if I'm carrying eventually our kids, or I'm carrying groceries in, I just wanted to be able to touch the lock and be able to get into the home. So that is so cool. But yeah, this is amazing. We are really excited to try this out and give you guys a review on it. Kwikset was really cool about it too, because this is their newer one. So they came out, this is like their newest edition, I believe. So they gave us like the new and improved version on the market. So I'm very excited to do a review on this. But yeah, let's keep going. This next one and the final one that we were provided with is the Vancouver handle set with Halifax lever. So the Halifax, again, is what we have, or what we're going to have on our back door. But these, so we got 2 of these because we have a double entry here at the house. So we got 2 of them, and they come with a deadbolt lock. It's bump proof, kick resistant, pick resistant, easy install. And I love that about this company is that they really pride themselves on an easy install. I think it's important to keep security, you know, something that's easy for people to get on board with. And anytime something is hard to install, it kind of makes it a little more tough for people to feel motivated to change their locks or maybe upgrade to something that's gonna make their home more secure. Like, I can't wait to get this out of the box for you guys because you can kind of see here, it is so pretty. It's the same thing where it's that iron black, matte black finish. So everything throughout, again, is gonna be that beautiful matte black. Oh, another thing too with this one is that it's supposed to fit most standard doors for a home. So like, I mean, unless you have some custom huge, humongous door, this is gonna cover you. So we are just so excited. To our friends over at Kwikset, thank you so much from Blake and I. We are just so thankful for this opportunity to showcase your products throughout our home. I think as most of you could see, I'm really excited to try out, especially the Halo. Put that on our back door and do a full review on that one as well. But again, today it was just an unboxing video and it's kind of feeling like a Christmas morning for us, even though Christmas is long gone and past. But it just feels so good to be getting these new items in the home and refreshing this space and also making it more secure. Like I've mentioned so many times, like that is a very big thing for Blake and I, is to feel that our home is secure, especially eventually when kids are involved. Like obviously we are important, but our kids and loved ones and possessions and things like that are just really important and something that we hold dear to us. So we're just really thankful. You guys really have no idea how much this means to us, and we cannot wait to just continue to showcase all of them throughout many more videos because, like, I mean, they're not going anywhere, they'll be here. So once we get like our bedrooms done, the front doors changed out, and all the other doors replaced, these are gonna be going up. But the really exciting thing where these will be showcased next is going to be on our bedroom makeover. So it's gonna be our master and guest bedroom that are upstairs in our home, and those knobs are gonna be the first ones in the house. So we are so excited to show you guys that, and then you guys can kind of see our tips and tricks on how we remodeled our 2 bedrooms upstairs. So, but again, Kwikset, thank you so much. We love you guys, and we will see you guys next time.